We start DDS-CAD 16 with the so-called start page, where we have access to the projects in the working directory, in this list, and we also have access to recent projects directly. Projects that belong to these two lists can be added to favorites list. To do so, we come to this pin indicator and left click. The projects from favorites list can be repositioned. You move here, drag and drop, and you can reposition your projects. You can also open projects that do not belong to any of these lists by clicking on this Open Other Project. Then you search for the projects in the Explorer. You also have direct access to change the working directory from here. So you click here and you can select another folder for your directory. And to create a new project, you type the name of the project like new project. If a project already exists with this name, it will indicate here. So you can type another name like this. And you can also select the default discipline, like building, electrical, sanitary heating, or ventilation, and click Create to create the project.